Page number 2, question number 31. Question number 31 says that 2y squared plus 3x whole dx is equal to 2xy dy equals 0. These are positive. Okay. 2y squared plus 3x all dx plus 2xy dy equals to 0. Okay. The question is, solve the following differential equation using the exact solution. Okay. You solve the other differential equation using the exact method. The first step is what? Check for the exact solution. Check for the exact solution. So we need to find dm over dy, which is d over dy for what? Which multiplied by y is n, which multiplied by dx is n. So this is n, 2y squared plus 3x. It's equal to, the derivative is with respect to y, so it is 4y. dn over dx is equal to d over dx for n, which is 2xy. So we have with respect to x, so it's 2y. You see 4y and 2y. Partial m partial y equals partial n partial x, not equal. So it is what? Not exact. So the question said that use the exact method, and the condition is not satisfied. The condition gives us that it is not exact. So what we can do, we want to find zeta. Zeta is equal to what? We have partial m partial n. So we have partial m over partial y minus partial n over partial x. The second term is n, so divide by n. It will be the partial m is 4y minus partial n is 2y over n, which is 2xy. So it's y with y with y, 2 with 2 and with 2. So it is what? 2 minus 1 over x, so it's 1 over x. It is a function of x only. So yeah, it is a function of x only. You didn't need to find zeta with respect to y, so you can use it. So u, which I want to use, is equal to exponential to the integration of zeta with respect to x. So it's the e to the integration of 1 over x dx. And you know 1 over x dx is what? Which is x. Okay? E to the power ln something is the something, so it's x. We didn't finish it, so we need to multiply u by the function itself. So we have multiply u by de, so or multiply de by u. So what we have, the new equation is 2y squared x plus 3x squared dx plus 2x squared y dy equals to 0. And this is the new differential equation, or the exact differential equation. How we know that we have the exact differential equation? Okay, double check for what? For the exact solution. We need to find dm over dy, which is the new m here is, this is the new m, and this is the new m. So the new m is differential of what? Do y squared x plus 3x squared, which is equal with respect to y 4x. Okay, so dn over dx is equal to differentiate over dx for what? For n. N is 2x squared y. 2x squared y with respect to x is 4x also. So from these equations, dm over dy is equal to dn over dx. So it is exact. Okay. Yes. So our solution will be if xy is equal to integration of m dx plus gy, and g prime y is equal to n minus differentiate over y, because we have y here, of the integration of m dx. The first thing we need to find is integration of m dx, which is integration of 2y squared x plus 3x squared with respect to dx, with respect to x. So we have what here? With respect to dx, so 2y squared, this is the constant, x squared over 2, plus we have here 3, the constant, x cube over cube. So it's y squared x squared plus x cube. And this is the term, the first term that we need. The second term is g prime y. Before we find g prime y, so we need to find the derivative of this equation with respect to y. So it's d over dy integration m dx is equal to d over dy for this equation, y squared x squared plus x cubed. With respect to y, we have x squared is constant to y. Yes, and x cubed is constant with respect to y, so it's 0. So we have g prime y is equal to n minus what we have here. So n, if you remember, it's 2x squared y. So it's 2x squared y minus 2x squared y, which equal to 0. So gy is equal integration of g prime y dy, which is integration of 0 dy, which is 0. So these books and this books added together. So the solution is what? This term, y squared x squared plus x cubed equals c. And this is the final answer. Any question, guys? This is the same as yesterday's question, guys, but there is an extra step, which is to convert the non-exact differential equation to exact differential equation. And to convert it from non-exact to exact, you need to find zeta, and zeta, if you use this formula or this equation, you should have just a function of x. If it's not, you have to apply the second formula, which you should have an equation with respect to y only. and this term should convert it to dy.